Get a load of this gorgeous little river bend here, huh? It's so picturesque with these big old growth trees, rich vegetation on the stream banks, and clean, clear water running over a healthy stream bed of different gravel and river rocks. Makes not only a perfect ecosystem for humans like us to gawk at, but for salmon to migrate through. See, the clean, crisp, cool waters here allow for salmon to swim through them effortlessly, and the variety of material on the river bottom, as well as different obstacles, helps create pools and eddies and resting spots as they migrate their way upstream. It also creates riffles at the crest of pools, where female salmon will lay their eggs into the gravel to be fertilized by the milt of a male salmon, and they'll stay in there all winter long, emerging in the spring as healthy little salmon fry. It's pretty incredible. Yet here, as is often the case in rivers downstream of industry and development, the riverbed's been totally inundated with gravel and sediment. Sand, silt, and gravel has been transported from landslides and slope failures upstream and deposited here, totally overwhelming the channel. What once was narrow and deep is now shallow, wide, and relatively featureless, with the exception of these two major gravel bars here, which are easily mobile during high flows and can easily smother reds, choking them out of the dissolved oxygen that they need to survive. Whoa, check out all these willow stakes here. Just a couple centimeters above the gravel during high flow times, it adds enough surface roughness to the water to slow it down and allow for leaf litter and allofinous material to drop out of the water column and deposit here. I mean, this is the beginning of a forest floor. Next spring, all these willow stakes are going to have new shoots and new roots going deep into the soils here, holding it all together and allowing for more debris to collect, when in just a couple years, this whole gravel bar is going to be covered with willow, red alder, salmonberry, and thimbleberry. And then after that, we're going to have a couple, Sitka spruce trees that'll be able to germinate in the understory, and before long, we'll have a healthy riparian coniferous forest that holds all this soil together, which means that our salmon reds in the river over there are safe. Now, this process would normally happen over time, but by willow staking and tree planting, we're able to speed it up by hundreds of years. And check it out, you can see it working here. Wow.